everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video I'm going to be doing a general overview of our heat map or click map tool. So first, to start creating your click map, you just come over here and add a website. I already have this map 1 over here. I'm just going to do a map 2. I'm going to leave the same URL as I have just because this is the website that I'm doing. And over here I'm not selecting this one because my website is not stretched by width, and I'm going to leave it this as center. Once you're done selecting your name and your URL of your website, simply click on done and your heat map will be created. There you go, say success. And just because I did the same one in both of them, I'm just going to remove this one over here. And to remove it, you just simply click on remove and click on yes. We're going to be left with this one. To edit, it's simply click on edit. It's going to take you to the same page as you created it. And once you create it, you're going to have to get the code and insert it into your website's head scripts. So to get the code, click on get code over here, copy it to your clipboard, go to your website editor. So we're going to go right over here. This is the website that I'm using. We're going to go to layouts, choose the practice 2. Over here on settings, we're going to go all the way down to the scripts. I already have this script over here. I'm just going to delete it and paste it again so you guys can see it. And we're going to save it. So once we save it, our code is already on our website. We have to save our website so the changes are saved. We're going to save again. And we're going to go to the live version of our website and do some clicking so we can test out our heat map. We're just going to refresh, and I'm going to click a bunch of times over here on top of the welcome to Builderall. Some clicks over here, scatter around, and 1, 2, 3 clicks over here. Once we do this, we're going to go back to our heat map app. We're going to go over here and click and select show map. Once you select that, our map is going to generate in just a couple of seconds. We just need to wait a bit. And there we go. Our clicks are all over here. We clicked a bunch of times over here. Clicked a couple times here, went down. Did some clicks over here. And if you guys don't want it to see on this heat map little template over here, we also can see it by clicks. Once it loads out, I'll show you guys how it looks. It's just a bunch of red dots. And there you go, guys. This is how it's going to show. This is just a really cool feature to let you know where your clients are spending their time on and what they're focused on your website. And also, if you have something on your website that you think that people are using and they're not, you can check it out over here. This is just a really cool feature so you guys can see your clients' actions on your website. So this is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.